Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be trying to explain about factors that cause cryptocurrencies to rise and fall. Now stay with me up to the end of this video. If you make it, I'll also give you a bonus tip if you make it and finish this video, plus hitting that like button so many times for this video to be appreciated, and also hitting the description and sign up with all the links we have tried to sort out for you guys, following us on our social media platforms, signing up with our reliable crypto broker, plus joining our free Telegram channel where we communicate with our community. Now without wasting time, let me dive into my notes and see what I have for you today. Now our topic is factors that cause cryptocurrencies to rise or fall. Now these factors are just vice versa if you are to understand this aspect. Now our major factor, or our first factor, is supply and demand. The value of cryptocurrencies is determined by supply and demand. Just like anything else that people want, if demand increases faster than supply, the price goes up. For example, if there is a drought, the price of grain and produce increases if demand doesn't change. Now I'm going to explain demand and supply, relating it to cryptocurrencies. Now what does this mean? Remember, cryptocurrencies, when someone is creating a cryptocurrency, in brief, he or she creates a cryptocurrency with a fixed supply of coins. If you look at Bitcoin, which is the highly global cryptocurrency which is well known in the whole world, Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million coins. Now if you get this fixed maximum supply of Bitcoin, which is 21 million coins, and relate it with the number or the population of people in the whole world, you find you can't even get a quarter of the people in the whole world to get access to those particular coins. Why? Remember, when the system of blockchains is programmed to make a float of 21 million coins, there is no way they can go back and program that for this system to produce more coins. I think we are together. But these coins being produced by the system, the 21 million coins, it's where people are going to exert the pressure through buying and selling them. Now when you find Bitcoin has 21 million coins and you divide it by the number of population of people in the whole world, let me say it is 5 billion people, you will find the demand of the people who would like to buy Bitcoin, which is the 7 billion people, is more than the created float of Bitcoin. Now that's where you find, when you go to an exchanger, when you're buying and selling, everyone has his own price where he's selling or buying. If someone buys Bitcoin at the current market price, let me say $5,000, that means that Bitcoin, he or she is gonna buy it on $5,000, but he's gonna sell it on $10,000. Now if 1 million people do the same, that means the pressure of the buyers who would like to buy the Bitcoin at $5,000, they will buy it, which is fine. But after them also buying these coins at $5,000, every person will set his own target. Someone can sell at 8,000, someone can sell at 10,000, 15,000, 20, like that. Now putting that a lot of pressure on that particular currency, that's where the volatility comes in, and you find a currency is just spiking along the way. Now supply and demand, these two factors, they create a lot of volatility in the crypto space. Now the second one is speculation. Now in brief, speculation is the shared knowledge amongst different traders accordingly to what they expect in the nearby future that about that specific cryptocurrency. Now at the moment, if I can give you a little bit example, at the moment, if when you look at the social media platforms, YouTube, Twitter, everywhere, most of the traders, they're anticipating Bitcoin that is still crashing. It might go to $8,000, it might go to $12,000, it might go to 4K. Everyone is saying his own opinion. Now you listening or focusing on the speculation of different investors, different traders, different institutions, that is the perspective you might have at some point in your mind, and you say that Bitcoin might drop to this specific level or the other level. Now if let me say, now let's assure that it is vice versa, whereby Bitcoin is rising. Now I can come out and I say, we as crypto devs mentors, we are expecting Bitcoin to move all the way from 20k to 300,000 per Bitcoin. Now if another 1 million people come with the same idea, that means we will have exerted a lot of pressure in the market. I don't know whether you have understood this point. So that is what we call speculation. Another factor, which is our third factor on this list, is utility. Now utility is a crypto token that serves some use case within a specific ecosystem. These tokens allow users to perform some action on. Now remember, in the crypto market we have many types of cryptos. We have altcoins, we have tokens, we have the NFTs tokens, we have metaverse. Now there are many, I can't break them all, but every cryptocurrency has its own utility. Now utility is the ability of that utility is the, like, when they create a cryptocurrency, they give it its utility, like what is it going to solve. It's what I was trying to explain. Now for you, if I talk about the currency like Ripple has an utility of banking system and paying utility bills. Now if you're in the US or those developed countries, if you don't have dollars in your account, you can use Ripple as a payment method to pay your utility bills like water, electricity, TV, ABC. Or you can use Ripple as banking. I don't know whether you're together. When you look at another currency, which is Bitcoin now is the global cryptocurrency, whereby you can buy a car, get a house, get everything you want, clothing, food, using Bitcoin. When you look at the last currency, it is called Dogecoin. When you look at the usability of Dogecoin, is majorly focusing on dog products. That if you're in the US and you have a dog and the dog is a little bit sick, or the dog, or you need to buy a new dog, or all those dog products, you can pay using Dogecoin. Now utility is the highest major factor you consider when you are creating a cryptocurrency. This cryptocurrency, what is it going to be solving? That's where the utility comes from. So that is also another factor that affects the crypto space. Another factor is propaganda. Now propaganda comes from major figures in the world. It can be a president, it can be a well-known, it can be an investor, all these factors. Now I'm going to bring one person who is well known by people in the whole world, which is Elon Musk. Elon Musk, I think last year he came on his tweet and said Bitcoin might go up from this level to the other level. Oh, I'm gonna buy Dogecoin, and all the way you find Dogecoin is rising. Oh, I'm gonna sell Dogecoin, all the way from just in minutes you find Dogecoin is crashing. Now these major people in the world who have influence in the community, they tend to take these cryptocurrencies on their own way. At the moment, cryptocurrencies are dropping. But even if we're in a bear market, Elon Musk comes on his Twitter hand and says that I've already bought 10 million Dogecoins. If you don't buy Dogecoin at the moment, you might suffer the next year. Although you can see at least Dogecoin making like 10%, 20%, 40%. Why? Propaganda is related by with fundamental news. These fundamental news are being also related with media people or media companies, all that stuff, which are being followed by people in the community. So those are the factors we spotted for you guys which cause cryptocurrencies to rise or fall. Now, thanks for making it to the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We also appreciate you for subscribing to our channel. We are heading to 50 subscribers. Soon we'll be heading to 100 subscribers. So if you see this video and you really appreciate it, please do share this video to your friend and also advise him to subscribe to our channel, because we are still uploading a lot of content, plus following us on our social media platforms and also signing up with our reliable crypto broker, which is Binance Limited. Peace out.